Good afternoon, everyone. In line with the present administration resolve to continue to provide improvements to our businesses, to our institutions, and to our industries, the Federal Executive Council, at its meeting this afternoon, approved 3 papers presented by the Ministry of Power. The first approval granted the Ministry of Power was in respect of the approval of the replacement of the preferred bidder for 6 megawatt Ikere Gorge Dam, Ikere Gorge hydropower plant concession that was approved in 2019 by the reserved bidder, Messrs. Quent Power Infrastructure Nigeria Limited. If I may take you back, you will remember that the council at its meeting of Wednesday, 27 March 2019, actually approved the concession of 5 small and medium hydropower plants for private sector development under public-private partnership arrangements. However, the preferred bidder for the concession of the 6 megawatts Ikere Gorge hydropower plant, Messrs. Power Control and Appliances Limited, failed to accept the offer within the stipulated time frame. And for 5 years running, nothing has happened with respect to this hydropower plant. And the contract was deemed to have lapsed or expired. So the reserved bidder is now being recommended to replace the preferred bidder. So the new preferred bidder is now Messrs. Quent Power Infrastructure Nigeria Limited. And we have carried out due diligence on this company, and we have also discussed with their technical partner, and we have realized that they have all it takes to ensure that this hydropower plant in Ikere, Ishenyi, Okeogun, part of Oyo State, is revamped and even improved to 15 to 20 megawatts. This approval also includes the payment of a one-time concessional fee of about 291.6 million naira and an annual concession fee of 66.3 million naira. Apart from increasing the revenue to government, this will also improve power supply to Okeogun part of Oyo State, whereby we believe that the agricultural industry of that axis will also improve, as well as attracting more businesses into the area. So we got the approval for that. And the other remaining concession are being reviewed to ensure that they commence full operation. That's the first approval. The second approval we also got was the construction, for the award of contract for the construction and installation of a 2x60 MVA and 132 by 33 kV substation in Ibadan, Oyo State, in favor of Messrs. Anytime Global Limited in the sum of $18.3 million and 9.9 billion naira, inclusive of 7.5% VAT, with a completion period of 24 months. This also includes consultancy services for the construction and installation of 2x60 MVA and 132 by 33 kV substation in Ibadan, Oyo State, in favor of Messrs. Team Spirit Consult Limited in the sum of $1.4 million and 589 million naira, inclusive of 7.5% VAT, and with a completion period of 24 months. This will ensure that power supply is strengthened, and we also secure the national grid for effective power wheeling and improved service delivery for strategic investments that will address the power supply challenges, support economic development, and improve the quality of life for the residents. The power infrastructure in Ibadan is overburdened, leading to frequent outages and voltage fluctuations. The project aligns with the renewed hope agenda of enhancing power infrastructure and promoting sustainable energy solutions. The location of this project is actually around the Ladukmo, Ejioku, Igbo axis of Lagelu local government that will boost power supply to Iwo Road, Monoton, and Yanof and the likes. So, and we believe that this is in addition to the revamping of the Ayede 330 kV substation, which is almost 60 years old, and the proposed new Ashijure 330 kV substation under the presidential power initiatives that we all know as a Siemens project. This will actually boost power supply for the revamping of industries around Ibadan, for supply of power to social and educational institutions, including institutions in Oyo State, as well as our businesses and offices. That is the second approval. So the last approval was actually the approval for procurement of 3 operational vehicles for FGN Power Company, which is the special purpose vehicle that actually operates and implements the presidential power initiatives that we know as a Siemens project. So those are the 3 approvals obtained from Federal Executive Council this afternoon by the Federal Ministry of Power. Thank you very much.